So why are interest rates on our term deposits and savings accounts so low at the moment? This is a question that I got from Andy during the week. It's a good question because anyone trying to save money will know that they're getting no help whatsoever from the ridiculously low interest rates. So I want to talk about that really simply today. Okay guys, let's have a look at why are interest rates so low. I have to say this is about the 4th time that I've tried to do this video, and each time I've started to get way too complex. So I'm going to try and keep it really simple. Right now what happens is, here is you as a borrower, okay? So you're not looking impressed. I hope you like my artwork. You're not looking impressed because you're putting money into a savings account or a term deposit with a bank, and the best you can get right now is 2.5 to 3%, which is not much more than inflation, so you're really not getting ahead very much, which is very frustrating. The bank then takes your money, and you can see the bank's looking really happy and fat over here because they do get their fair share of fees and those sorts of things. So the bank's looking very happy over here, and they take your money and go, well, fantastic, thank you for giving us that money. We're going to pay you 2.5 to 3%, and we're then going to lend it out to the borrowers of the world, so that might be you as well. So over here we've got you as a borrower looking very unhappy over here because you've got to pay more money back to the bank. 2.5 to 4% is basically what the banks will lend this money out at the moment. So what we can see, the difference here is about 1%. So the bank is taking this 1% on every single person's mortgage, and that's their profit, in theory. Okay, now I'm really oversimplifying it, but they're taking that 1%, that's their profit for lending you the money and taking the risk of lending you the money. So what we've got here is that they can't pay you anymore. They certainly can't pay you more than what they're lending out at, and they want to keep their profit. So that is why your interest rates are so low. Now the next question is, well, who sets those rates there? And the reality is right now, around the world, all of the major central banks, the main banks around the world, are trying to lower, or they have been lowering interest rates, because when you lower interest rates, what it means is that people have more money in their pockets, in theory. If you're paying less on your mortgage, you have more cash available in the household, therefore you can go and spend it on stuff, and by spending on stuff it stimulates the economy and starts to create growth and jobs and those sorts of things. So that's the whole idea behind lower interest rates. You'll also find that big business, they will be making more money because they're paying less on their interest rates, which means that they're going to start investing more into the business and spending more on the manufacturing, spending more on new equipment, new plants, new buildings, those sorts of things, which again stimulates the economy. So right now, these rates are deliberately low because that's where the government around the world are pricing it. The banks can't do much about that. They could start charging you higher interest rates, but who's going to choose to use you as a bank? So it's all stuck in a very low interest rate environment right now. There's not a lot we can do about it until we start to see these mortgage rates go up. And when we start to see these mortgage rates go up, we will see the savings rates go up. But of course, for anyone that's got a debt right now, you don't want these to go up. So savers, I'm sorry, you're a bit stuck right now. But I'm hoping that makes heaps of sense.
Now, if you are interested in saving money, if you're interested in spending less, if you're interested in breaking the paycheck cycle or paying off debt or achieving lifestyle goals that are really important to you, can I encourage you to subscribe to this YouTube channel? Every Tuesday and Thursday, we will release videos about managing your personal finances. So please, subscribe below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.